This video will change your view of Chinese food. Watch carefully. Feel free to share your thoughts in comments. Today, I'll show you how to stir-fry zucchini. No fancy seasonings or special cookware. Super easy to make. Wash the zucchini and cut off both ends. Slice it any way you like. Shape doesn't affect taste or texture. Next, enjoy the kitchen symphony. This part can be skipped. Just slice the carrots. Straight or diagonal cuts both work. Set aside on a plate. Next, prep the green onions. Chop them any way you like. Just make sure they're small. All the ingredients are prepped. Honestly, no need to overcomplicate it. Just chop them roughly the same size. Otherwise, some will be done while others are still raw, and that's a hassle. Alright, let's fire up the stove and cook. Heating the pan and adding oil, nothing special to talk about here. Even if you don't do it right and the food sticks to the pan, it won't affect the taste or texture. Just make the pan cleaning a bit more troublesome. If you're interested in this step, check out my earlier egg fried rice shorts. I explained it in detail there. In this video, I'll only focus on the most important steps. As for the other minor details, we can figure them out slowly later. After all, Rome wasn't built in a day. Don't be in a hurry. Just follow me step by step. Honestly, when picking meat, no need to overthink it, whether it's fatty, lean, or a mix. It all comes down to what you like, or what the folks at home prefer. That's the great thing about Chinese cooking. Unlike Western food, there aren't all those strict rules. You can tweak the seasonings however you want, and even if you skip some, no one's gonna say a thing. Only one thing to note, here once the meat hits the pan, spread it out right away and leave it be. Let it cook like that for a bit. Wait till the fat renders out, then flip it. That way, it won't stick to the pan. How long you cook the meat, totally up to how you like it. Me, I love that crispy edge, so I cook it a bit longer. Just try a few times, you'll nail your favorite texture, and it only affects the meat itself, not the rest of the dish or the zucchini's flavor. If you like it spicy, grab some hot dry chilies and chop them up. The finer the chop, the more heat comes through. Try a few times, and you'll find what clicks for you. Oh, and once the meat's cooked, toss in the chilies. See, I'm using whole dried ones here. It's not that I don't like spicy food, I just can't eat it right now because of a diet restriction. Remember, Chinese cooking is like picking a park. There's no right or wrong, only what fits. And what fits you is always the best. Dried chilies, fragrance, add green onion. Once the green onions smell fragrant, toss in the zucchini right away. Super important, wait too long. The onions burn and the whole dish gets bitter. No need to flip the pan like a pro it. Won't mess up the dish's flavor. Just stir fast with a spoon here and you'll still get that nice brown, tasty vibe. See these zucchini, some pale, not brown, means unevenly cooked. Either slices aren't same thickness or not stirred enough. Normal. Don't panic. Keep stirring like this. Chicken bouillon or MSG right when you take the pan off the heat. Too early. Why? I'll break it down in a later video. When to add salt depends on the dish. For this one, add it late. I'll explain why in the next video. 13. Spice powder. Use it or not. Up to you. This is oyster sauce. We already put in chicken powder earlier, so it's fine to skip it here. Just stir evenly, nothing more to it. When to add carrots depends on your texture preference. For soft, add before seasoning. I like mine crisp, so I'm adding them now. Stir a few times, then it's done. Follow me for healthy, tasty eats. I'll teach you the real fundamentals of Chinese cooking.